Probate is the process by which the will is given to the court to be validated. There are an array of documents that must be submitted. Why do we do it? What is the purpose? Well, when a person leaves an asset in their individual name after they pass away, we have to get that property, that asset, that money, those funds to the persons named in the will. If a person has a will, there would be a different process if it was in trust. But the act of taking a will and having it validated in the court is called probate. You ask a surrogate, that's the judge of the surrogate court, to validate the will. What has to be submitted? A petition, perhaps information about kinship, an accounting, listing the documents, listing the assets, listing the heirs and beneficiaries. There's a distinction. Listing the named charities, listing the devisees, listing all who are entitled to receive by birth, and listing who is actually named. So a parent could disinherit a child. Person could have 3 children and only provide for 2. So you'd have to list who's there and who's not. Did the person forget, or was it an intentional disinheritance? So all of this takes place in the probate process. Each different task has a nuance. And ultimately, what can you do? The whole purpose of probate, I shouldn't say that, that's a sweeping generality. Part of the probate process is to be conferred the permission and authority to marshal assets and then follow the mandate, the list, the course of action contained within the will. That's what we do, and that's what we can help you do.